Tired of dull nails? Discover the Artdone Chrome Powder Kit. Your mirror-like manicure savior. Are your nails stuck in a rut, looking flat and uninspired? Do you dream of dazzling, mirror-like finishes, but dread the salon prices? Enter the Artdone 12-jar Chrome Nail Powder Kit, the ultimate solution to your nail woes. This kit promises to transform your nails from blah to breathtaking with its 12 vibrant colors, including holographic Aurora and shimmering pearl. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into the quest for the perfect manicure and see how Artdone stacks up. The hunt for the perfect nail powder can feel endless. Many products promise high-shine finishes but fall short, leaving nails patchy or dull. Artdone's chrome powders, however, are finely milled and highly pigmented, ensuring a smooth, mirror-like effect. Unlike cheaper alternatives, these powders work seamlessly with gel polish and no-wipe top coats, making them ideal for both beginners and pros. But does their versatility translate to real-world results? Let's explore how they perform. Artdone's chrome powders are a game-changer. Their ultra-fine texture ensures even application, while the rich pigments deliver stunning, long-lasting color. Whether you're aiming for a bold metallic look or a subtle holographic shimmer, these powders deliver. Plus, with 1 gram per jar, you get enough product for 40 to 50 manicures, a cost-effective choice for nail enthusiasts. But the real magic lies in their ease of use. Simply apply over a tacky gel top coat, and voila, salon-quality nails at home. Customers rave about Artdone's chrome powders, praising their vibrant colors and mirror-like finishes. The powders work on natural nails, acrylics, and false tips, making them versatile for any nail art project. Plus, the included instructions ensure even beginners can achieve professional results. Compared to other brands, Artdone stands out for its quality and affordability. It's not just a product, it's a solution for anyone tired of dull, lifeless nails. Why settle for ordinary nails when you can have extraordinary? The Artdone Chrome Powder Kit is your ticket to stunning, mirror-like manicures without the salon price tag. With 12 vibrant colors, easy application, and enough product for hundreds of nails, it's a must-have for nail enthusiasts. Don't let dull nails hold you back. Grab your Artdone kit today and start your journey to nail perfection.